This is the Arduino demo for control structure switch case statement. In this Arduino sketch, I will be using the serial monitor and switch case statement to take an input for a number between 0 and 4. Using the switch case statement, an output will be generated based on the input value. So first of all, I define a character variable, my input. Then I define my setup loop or setup function in which I define my serial communication. I wait for the serial communication to be established and then I generate an output statement asking the user to enter a value or a number between 0 and 4. After that, the loop function is entered. The program will wait for a serial input to become available. Once and the input is taken from the user using the serial read function, and I store the input into the variable my input, which I defined earlier as a character variable. This is how a switch case statement is used. So a uh, uh, switch statement uses my input variable, and based on the values of the my input, a certain case is selected based on the value of my input, and in each of these cases I define a separate print statement just informing about the value which is entered by the user. I could have used anything else in these case statements, such as a digital input or output statement also, or anything else that I would have preferred, which were unique according to every my input case. So this switch case statement is very much like a if else statement, but the difference is when there are many different kind of inputs which are expected from the user, the if else statements become very long, and the program execution efficiency decreases significantly as the certain as the program execution moves from every if else um, as it has to traverse through the entire program and select a particular case. But in switch, just based on the my input, the execution can jump directly to the case based on the input which is entered. I also define a default case wherein uh, if a number other than any other number between 0 and 4 is entered, such as 5, 6 or 99, whatever else, this statement is printed out saying only enter a number between 0 and 4. And the other thing is, because it's a character input, when we enter a number, a new line character is also included. So if it's a new line character input, I again print out the statement saying enter a number between 0 and 4. One other thing of importance is, with every case, this is like a block of statements which needs to be included for this case statement. And with every case, it is important to include the break statement. If the break statement is not included, all the remaining statements will be executed after it. Okay, so this is how the switch case sketch is written, and I will show you the demo on my Arduino board. So I've already programmed the sketch on my Arduino board, and I'm just going to press the reset button on my Arduino board. So this setup statement, in the setup function, this statement is printed out, enter number 0 to 4. I'm going to enter a number 0, and I'm going to hit the send button. It says you entered 0. So the execution jumped right away to this case, and this output is printed out. I could directly enter a number like 3 and hit enter. It says you entered number 3, because now based on this switch statement again, it directly jumped to this case and printed out the statement. If I print out any other, and as you see, like after every time I enter a certain number, even this block is executed, and I enter number 0 to 4 statement is reprinted out because a new line character is also included when I give my input over here. I'm going to give a number input between, which is outside of 0 and 4, like a number 99. So it says only enter number between 0 and 4. Okay, the reason it printed it out 2 times is because 9 and 9 are taken in as 2 different inputs. If I entered only say number 5, it would print out the statement only once, saying only enter number between 0 and 4. So please note that since it's a character input, every individual character is taken in as one input. So thank you for watching this sketch and demo.